Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing all good. Today I share with you this delicious yet easy Ghana goat meat kebab recipe. You will love this, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. So as I said, we're going to be using goat meat for this kebab recipe. I've washed it and I've cleaned it very nicely with some salt and vinegar. You can also use lemon to do that, okay? Whilst that is done, I'll season the meat with some meat seasoning powder. Next, I'll go in with some chili pepper powder. I'll also go in with some garlic, ginger and onion powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some salt to taste, garlic and ginger paste as well. And since I used the powdered one, you can omit the paste if you don't want to add it, okay? Next, I'll go in with some groundnut paste. If you're going to use yaji or soya spice, no need to go in with the groundnut paste. But if you are not using it, trust me, the groundnut paste works perfectly fine. I'll go in with some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice, and I'll mix or massage all the seasonings to the meat very well. Alright, so next I'm going to place this in my refrigerator for about 1 hour to marinate very well. Whilst that is going on, we also want to go ahead and cut up some onion. And for this kebab recipe, I'm just going to be using onion. You can use green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper or red bell pepper, but the onion also works perfectly fine. So whilst that is done, I'll cut it into this cute 9 square shapes, and I'm going to remove the onion from each other one by one, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And while that is done, I'm going to set this aside. Next in the bowl, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder and also some powdered pepper. I'll go in with some cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use coconut oil, and trust me, it works perfectly fine. I will stir everything together until I get this right consistency. Now let's set this aside because we're going to be using it later. So now the meat is out from the fridge after 1 hour and it's nice and ready. So now all that is left is for us to arrange the meat on these skewers. Remember to soak your skewers in water for about 30 to 1 hour before you use this, okay? So now we're going to arrange our meat on the skewers, and I'll be arranging it alongside with the onions, just the way you see it on your screens right now. We don't have any systematic way of arranging this, okay? You just have to do it just the way you want it, and trust me, it will really comes out very good, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So you're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Just play with the meat and the onions, and trust me, you'll love this. Alright, so while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after arranging the meat on the skewers, this is how it turned out. It turned out really good. And so all that is left is for us to start to heat up our grilling pan, and remember as well to brush in some oil as well. After that, I'll place in my meat and I'll start to grill it until it's nice and juicy. Don't forget you can use your oven, your air fryer, your stovetop or your coal pot to do this as well. So no need to worry yourself if you don't have a grilling pan. Alright, you can do this on your stovetop, trust me. Alright, so after arranging the meat on the grilling pan, I'll also brush some of the oil which I mixed with the spices on top of this meat as well, and trust me, it will really give this meat extra taste. Trust me on this one. Remember as well to grill this on low medium heat because we don't want this to burn as well. So it's a gradual process. Just take your time and you will get there. And as always, remember to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. It's very important. So after flipping it over, I'll brush some of the oil to it as well, and I'll repeat the same process on all the meat until everything is nice and ready. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. And if you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me there and let's vibe over there beautifully, and trust me, you will love it. Alright, so as you can see, the meat is ready. It looks all juicy and very perfect. Just take a look at this one. Looks delicious and very inviting. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian homemade goat meat kebab recipe without soya. You will love this. So all you have to do is to trust the process, and trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now take good care of yourself and see you in the next one. Bye.